I get quite a few requests to make beginner level videos, and one that comes up quite often is how to add film strips to various HISE components. I've already done one for buttons, so in this one I'm going to show you how to add a film strip for a knob or slider. So I've got a film strip here, so this is the HISE project we're in, and if we go to the images folder, I've got this one here, HISE, knob, medium, PNG, and this is provided by a forum member, and I'll leave a link in the video description to the forum post where you can download this control, this image, and some other images they posted as well. If we have a look at the image dimensions, it's 100 by 12,800. And if we open a calculator, we can divide 12,800 by 100, and that gives us the number of frames in the image, because this is a square. This is a knob, so each frame is square, so just divide the height by the width and we know how many frames are there. We can have a look at this image and we can see it's just a standard kind of film strip. So it's important that your image goes in the project images folder. So don't have it outside of there, make sure it's in there. You can put it in a subfolder if you want, but it must be inside the images folder. Okay, let's add a knob to our UI, and we'll make this 100 by 100 because that's the size of the image. So there it is. We won't actually need the script window today, so I'll just hide that. Let's put that in the center and zoom in on it. Okay, so we're going to scroll down and we're going to select this one, film strip image. We're going to click open. And in the file browser, it automatically goes to our project's images folder. So we just select the image that we want, click OK. And then we have to go to this line here where it says num strips. And here we have to put in the number of frames in the image. So that's 128. And then we hit enter. And there we go. It's as simple as that. Now, if you wanted to make this smaller or larger, let's say we want to make it 50 by 50. You can see it doesn't fit now. It's only showing a quarter of the image. So we've got to scroll down and we've got to change the scale factor here. So let's change that to 0.5. So now it's half the size. Now you are going to run into some issues if you try to make it larger, because it'll pixelate slightly, you'll lose quality. So if you want to use an image that you know is going to need to suit monitors that are maybe 4K as well as a sort of standard 1080p monitor, then you might want to make your images twice as large and scale them accordingly. Let's just put that back to where it should be. So that's it. That's how you load an image onto a knob or slider in HISE. Really nice and simple. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.